Traffic prediction using machine learning. Abstract. Traffic prediction is essential for modern urban planning and traffic management, influencing both daily commutes and long-term infrastructure development. Here is our website, which you can find Python projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From Python projects to span diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research. Document. In Document, we can provide this: contents, abstract, introduction, literature survey, system analysis, requirement analysis, system design, implementation and results, system study and testing, conclusion, future enhancement or future scope, references. PPT. PPT, we can provide abstract introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references. Results. This page introduces the web application. The About Us section provides an overview of the application's purpose and the importance of traffic prediction using machine learning. This page is designed for user authentication. The registration page allows new users to create an account. It includes fields for username, email address, password, age, gender, and mobile number. This page is designed for user authentication. This page allows users to input the number of hours they want to forecast traffic. After submitting a forecast request, this page displays the results. This form allows users to input specific traffic data, including counts for cars, bikes, buses, and trucks, along with the time and day of the week. Once the user submits the traffic data, this page displays the predicted traffic class. This page features a traffic map that shows current traffic conditions on a map interface. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.